Today on Phonova, we're exploring the Motorola Moto G Power 5G, Motorola's budget-friendly smartphone that brings 5G connectivity and a massive battery. Is this the go-to choice for budget buyers in 2024? Let's dive into it. Design and build. The Moto G Power 5G has a clean, no-frills design with a durable plastic body. At 8.5mm thick and 185 grams, it's comfortable in hand and easy to manage. While the materials aren't premium, it's well built for its price point. Display technology. Motorola includes a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, unusual in this price bracket. The screen offers good clarity, and the high refresh rate makes scrolling feel smooth, ideal for social media or light gaming. Performance. Equipped with the MediaTek Dimensity 700 chip and 6GB of RAM, the Moto G Power 5G manages basic tasks and light gaming well. While it's not a powerhouse, it's more than capable for everyday tasks, including browsing and social media use. Camera capabilities. The camera system includes a 50MP main lens and a 2MP macro sensor. Photos are decent in good lighting, though low light results can be grainy. The macro camera allows close-up shots, though quality varies. It's a fair setup for this price. Battery life. One of the Moto G Power 5G's biggest strengths is its battery. With a 5000 mAh cell, it easily lasts a day or more on a single charge. For moderate users, it's a real powerhouse, and for heavy users, it still delivers strong performance. Software and features. Running on a clean version of Android 13, the Moto G Power 5G is user-friendly with minimal bloatware. Motorola's customizations, like Moto Actions, are simple yet effective, adding a nice touch to the stock Android experience. Pricing and competition. Priced around $250, the Moto G Power 5G competes with other budget options like the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G. While it may not have every feature of pricier phones, its battery life and smooth display make it a strong contender. Conclusion. Overall, the Moto G Power 5G is a solid choice if you're looking for budget 5G and battery life without breaking the bank. Comment below with your thoughts, and don't forget to subscribe to Phonova for more tech reviews.